Now the news in detail. The Vice President of India, Jagdeep Dhankar, today said that the Northeast is the heart and soul of Bharat, urging the media to champion the region's potential in tourism and development. He emphasized that the Northeast is not just a geographic region but a vibrant tapestry of cultures, traditions and natural beauty that embodies the essence of India. Delivering the keynote address at the Conclave 2024, organized by Pratidin Media Network in New Delhi today, Dhankar highlighted the transformative impact of the government's Act East policy and the importance of media in shaping national narratives.
Of Northeast while being Governor State of West Bengal. Sonawalji, I happen to be chairman of Eastern Zone Cultural Center. I had the occasion to visit all the states. I know firsthand how rich it is. On occasions I have defined Northeast bountifully gifted by nature. Put in one crucible, New Zealand, Switzerland and Scotland, and you will find all taken together will be much short of the wealth of Northeast.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Saturday held